Okay, so right there we have the top compression ring stuck into the cylinder. Its orientation inside, ring end gap really ain't too critical. I have it point in the direction of where it's going to be facing. Then we'll just go ahead and take the piston, kind of push it down a little bit carefully. Okay, that's kind of where it's going to be. And then we'll go ahead and take a feeler gauge set and check the clearance. So at minimum, we're going to want about 6 thousandths of clearance. So we're going to go ahead and stick this one in there and see how it feels. Kind of loose. Let's go ahead and go up a step. Alright, this is 8 thousandths. I'll say it's a little tight. Let's try 7. Okay. 7 thousandths. Yeah, that's definitely a 7 thousandths, which is perfect. Alright, now we have the second oil ring or second piston ring. It's facing the direction in which it would be installed. So we're going to go ahead and push it down using the piston into the range of the stroke and which it'll be at top dead center. Okay. Now this one can be a little bit looser, and from looking at it, it's a little bit bigger than the top one. So we'll go ahead and start off with the 10. Okay, 10 thousandths. Almost perfect. Let's try an 11. Okay, so 11's too tight. It's definitely going to be a 10. So 6 and a 10. Whew. It's perfect. All right.